Hi guys, welcome back to Day Trade Diary. It is day number 13 of my documented trading journey. It's currently the 9th of March 2026, and I'll give you an update about what happened yesterday on the 8th of March 2026. It was a Sunday yesterday, but the crypto markets were open, and so far on Monday, the Asian session has basically been concluded already. So some activity in the CFD markets. So for Oanda, we're now at 14,871, and for Binance, we're at 9595, which gives us a total net asset value of 24,466. And this equates to a return of 3.98%, or in absolute terms, it is a gain of 936 US dollars. Give you an update now about what happened in the Binance crypto market. We had 2 buys and 2 take profits, as you can see here in the chart. So the 2 buys happen here at the 67.1 and the 66.1, and we sold at 67,300 and 68,300, which just took profit a couple of minutes ago actually. So the grid trading strategy for Bitcoin is working well. It's a ranging market. You can see here if I remove the open orders. So it's a very nice trend. A very nice trade ranging market. Take profits on the way up, and then we rebought 6 times on the way down, and then now we are taking profits again on the way up. So let's hope for a continued ranging market. This is very good for the grid or the ladder trading strategy. So that was for Bitcoin, and I'll give you an update now about what's happening in the CFD market. First of all, I'd like to touch a bit on crude oil. Crude oil has gone absolutely parabolic yesterday. At the start of the Monday Asian session, it gapped up tremendously and reached a high of 120, and now it's at 102. We are totally out of the crude oil trade now. I think the price has gone up too fast and too much. You can see on the day chart. So it looks extremely strange now. We will not chase this market anymore. As I mentioned, we're totally out of the market. I will look to probably redeploy the grid trading strategy at a lower level, around the 70s or the 60s mark. But right now, it's just too high. I wouldn't set any limit orders, buy orders around these levels, because I think the downside risk is way too much at this point. And I mentioned earlier in the earlier videos that we look for depressed assets that are down 40-50% at the intermediate level before we start to put in the grid. So right now, no, I will not touch this until it goes down significantly. And this would happen once the geopolitical risk in Iran tapers down, and oil starts flowing again through the region. Okay, that was for crude oil. For silver, we have, let me just show you the activity. We have filled in the same order again. This is the 5th time, I think, that we're filled at 81. And this filled today early in the morning at the Asian market open at 81. And then we sold just a few hours later, about 3 hours later, it sold for a quick profit of 51.85. So once again, we hit this 81 to 83 level, which is very, very nice. So I can show you here. So it hit here at 81 around this part of the candle, and then it sold here. I've deployed the buy order at 81 again. Let's see if it hits one more time. Then it will be 6 times that we hit. But we still have these 3 trades open, 10, 25, and 10 units. You can see one of them is slightly in profit, and the 2 of them are still in the red. Yeah, so I mentioned one for silver, we had one buy and one take profit, and this happened just a few hours ago. For China stocks, pretty much still at the same levels. We bought it around here at the low. Seems to be trending lower, which is ideal because we have another buy order set down here. Let me zoom out. So yeah, this will be the next target for the great trading strategy. Hopefully it hits and it goes down a bit more before it starts to increase in price. And as I mentioned, I have high hopes for China stocks. I believe that massive liquidity will be coming from the Bank of China, Central Bank of China, and this will lift the stock market for China the same way that the Japanese stocks mooned recently. So yeah, this gives you a quick update about where I stand in terms of the trading for today. Let me just move this over here a little bit, and I'll show you the daily gain. So you can see now over the weekend we dipped a little bit. Now we are up slightly because of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin basically dumped a little bit, or $8,000, not a little bit, quite a lot. And we managed to capitalize on buying the dip, and now it's trending up again, and we are started to take profits once more. So let's hope that everything balances out each other. There are some markets which are trending down, some markets which are trending up, and we take profit on the way up for those assets, and redeploy for those assets that are going down. So that concludes my update for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.